Hey there, adventure seekers. If you're itching to pack your bags and explore the world, then I've got just the ticket for you. Here's a rundown of the top must-visit destinations in 2024 that you absolutely can't miss. First up, let's talk about Hawaii. Ah, the Aloha State. Imagine yourself surfing the waves on the North Shore, hiking through lush rainforests, or just chilling on the pristine beaches of Maui. Hawaii is a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation that never fails to amaze. Next, we're heading down under to Australia. From the iconic Sydney Opera House to the rugged outback, there's something for every kind of explorer. Don't forget to check out the Great Barrier Reef, one of the natural wonders of the world, where the snorkeling is out of this world. Moving on, let's jet over to Canada. Whether you're into skiing the powdery slopes of Whistler, or you want to experience the vibrant cultural scenes of cities like Toronto and Vancouver, Canada offers a vast landscape of possibilities. And if you're a fan of the great outdoors, the Canadian Rockies are calling your name. Last, but definitely not least, the Bahamas. Picture this: soft white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and an underwater world that looks like it's straight out of a movie. Whether it's snorkeling, jet skiing, or just soaking in the sun, the Bahamas promise a tropical getaway like no other. So, what are you waiting for? These destinations are waiting to welcome you with open arms and unforgettable adventures. It's time to start planning your 2024 travel itinerary. Safe travels, and see you out there.